How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, head over to your TikTok app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on the repost icon to view all the reposts you have made. To remove a single repost, tap on the repost video. Open it and now tap on the share button at bottom right corner of your screen. Now select remove repost option. However, if you want to delete all the reposts at once, you simply need to follow the next step. That is, tap the three-line icon at top right corner and access the setting by tapping setting and privacy option. Scroll to the bottom and now select report or problem and simply choose feed and playback and choose playing videos. From this section, you need to choose order and tap on no button. Select need more help and choose order. And here you need to select the send message button and explain that you want to delete all your reposts at once. Submit it and then here you get the solution. You can easily remove one repost video or remove your repost one by one. But there is no such way to delete all your reposts at once. So you simply need to stay updated in order to delete all your reposts at once so that whenever that features appears on TikTok, you can enjoy that. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.